Good morning, it is 11:30 a.m. here on Sunday 28th November 2021. My name is Aaron Hunt from Stace Hammond. We're going to just jump straight into this. This wasn't a planned video today. I haven't shaved and prepared for this, but we just did have something that's come through which we really wanted to raise with all of you. Now, we did the video the other day regarding the Beehive press release from the 24th of November. It's very important that day, the 24th of November, about the border opening plans the government has, and they had the date on the 30th of April was basically the date they're looking at. All vaccinated individuals will be able to come to New Zealand after that date or from that date, with it being staged over time. And we said during that last video to be very cautious about those who are saying that they can get people into New Zealand on a certain date. We have people saying by February, which wasn't true. But same again on end of April, if you see someone saying, hey, you can come to New Zealand from this date, it's probably not going to be quite correct, because that was 24th of November. Now on the 25th of November, and thank you to Katie Armstrong from Inter New Zealand for mentioning this to a little group of people that chat about immigration. There was a change made to another website on the immigration website, which I will link to in the description down below, that states the Immigration New Zealand has suspended processing for most applicants who are offshore, unless they meet the strict border exception criteria or are currently in a quarantine-free travel zone, which there aren't any currently. The government has extended the suspension at least until 5 August 2022. So the suspension on offshore applications has been extended until 5th of August 2022. Now, suspension can be lifted if the border restrictions change. Now, that is a very broad statement. So the government can raise that suspension at any point once the border restrictions change, but there's no indication that they're going to on 30th of April. This being in place generally would indicate that the 30th of April isn't going to be a off you go, free slather, make an application sort of day. We think it is still going to be down to probably visa waiver countries. They're going to use that as a starting point because they don't require a visa application. They'll be let in for a period of time. They will be there to help with hospitality, with tourism, that sort of thing. It's a nice, easy group, and I'd say, as a cynical side of me, that's the Western countries that are going to be allowed back in first. Over time, they'll then expand this, but until that point, they want to. The suspension will be in place until at least 5th of August, unless they deliberately remove it. So for those of you who have seen people telling you that, yes, no worries, 30 April, you can make an application for a visa, probably not, at least from what's on here. Now, we'd love it if the government would just be more clear, because it seems to be on the 24th, they're saying 30th of April, we're going to start doing this. On the 25th, they say, yes, we're not going to do it until August, and 30th of April wasn't really what most people thought it was going to be. So we're pushing for more information, trying to get some clarity out of the government, and I'm sure others will be doing the same. But at least for now, don't look at the 30th of April being a fixed date of when you can apply, because this would indicate otherwise, and Omicron may do the same as well. But we'll come back to you when we do hear more. Of course, this week, on Wednesday, we have the 21 RV applications, the phase 1 applications going in. So we're very hard at work, my team and I, in getting those applications ready. If you want to be part of our clients going to that, we still have space for 1 or 2 more applications. If you are keen for us to help you out, get in contact with us at the address in the description down below. Otherwise, we'll come back to you when we have more information on this or anything else with immigration here in New Zealand. Until then, kia kaha and stay safe.